Living in a community like this in Gilbert, Arizona is all about the lifestyle. So if you're somebody who likes to take beautiful walks in the morning or evening with trees and grass, take your dog to the park, go hop in the pool, or have everything nearby like a gym that you can walk to, stores, shopping, and the freeway, then this is the community for you. And I have today a beautiful move-in ready, clean 4-bedroom home, and it's available with a low interest rate program so you can finally have the lifestyle that you want and you deserved at an affordable price. Let's go check out this beautiful home here in Gilbert.
Every time we touch, I feel a fever too. Fever, 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 fever. Ooh, 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 baby, you're mine. Ooh, 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 baby, you're all mine. Ooh, 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 baby, you're mine. Baby, you're all mine. So you said you're gonna need some time. I told you once, don't make me say it twice. Just take my hand, come on and dance with me. Make up your mind, but what's it gonna be? 'Cause every time we touch, I feel a fever too. Every time we touch, I feel a fever.
Like I said, buying a home these days is all about the lifestyle. So if you value walking to a beautiful, pretty, huge park like this, having a pool nearby, you got a gym, you got Dutch Bros right down the street that you can walk to, and this might be the home for you. It's almost 2,000 square feet, 2-car garage, completely spotless inside, and you can buy it with a low interest rate program. That means you don't have to worry about high payments, high interest rates, or all of that fussy stuff that makes buying a home tough. So reach out, call, text, DM me. You already know how to reach me. And schedule a private tour today where you can come see this community. You can walk your dogs, you can go to the gym, go grab coffee, and have a beautiful brand new home with a really fun lifestyle that's perfect, especially for a first-time buyer. Let's go make this your next home.